friend Kwabena Cost, Minram, excellent poverty and work.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Pascaline and I'm tuning to Kwabena Cost.
Costi, call me Bruce Money, or call me Abranti for the perfect gentleman.
And now for Nebuchadnezzar, you me to Jenny, or what for me wine. Now me name 7 does was
I love this song, trust me. I'm watching me sorry in that new way, and I will be choosing. I love it. No, I think I have to share this song with you. Right, so show produced by Akosia the Padumas or Hineba Rabina Queensta, Emmanuel and Alfay, Kobe K. I'm a man and out of Pine the first. So we are here. I wish you'll be on with the same. Let me say what testimony. Right, so in the meantime, if you do speak English, how are you doing? If you speak Ganteten, if you speak ever F1, break me po iteme. If you speak Awuzayade, if you speak Frafrala, when Grushi Equator, if you speak in my cordia, and you find Name Pacho today. I will catch you, so I'm want to say. Me a shot in Uncle Pancho, so I born who buys Uncle Pie, and they have been other. It's a couple of fun of Abena Fogina, will be out to say. Memobia Afishiapa. Right, so once again, we are here. Me patch off messages for 0594-841-044 0594-841-044. Right, so I'll bring you motivational message in a jiffy. Famous birthday. Now me see and now out here. Company be with Chrome Hanum teach you Ghana ha. You see almost coming for Jink of Wosika Dadan of New Grass on with you drew. Alright, so I'll be talking to one Kingsford. One wife victim. I mean, yeah, me kase ye chinchim ni sadie. But I'm pe koti kwa bi so ni ade bi ni ade bia. Wa guy ni ade o di sika bag. Right, to make sure online marketing be a course. And conform company be deemed to say Killnet. I allege, you see, omo yes scam. Who company they cry in the first place? And now for a Kwambers no fast or didn't see Kai come on. A Kwambers no south fast will be a while. Who said there be baby, I'm a Mishika Ray, me jamming one of phone but timid. Hello, sir, Jessica. Hey, man, someone no pan can be canceling. Akpanamau. Mindagboji. See, Adia me will be an Yanko Pond at the mommy. I owe it all to God. I did be a Kutami and there. Nyamidi me free, baby, Nyamidi me doing nano. I'm going to tell you what somebody else said. Sometimes I'm a talk and say, Mr. Chef. Yes, see, I will do CSUA, sorry, one chain tintin, yeah. My uncle Fenama, new more, not bushy. Right, 37 minutes past the afternoon. It's still tuning to 93.3 of Juma Juma. From my brand to part the perfect gentleman. Mami Mao, motivational message. And now for you, mentor, I showed you some from Mao, yeah. Okay. To my motivational message, me shall crown pay my daily dose of motivation. And I'm on daily dose of uncranche. Now for your property. See, and at Kingsford, but the clients are not paying now for you didn't come on. About baby, I didn't see Korea. I was Susu Senka. Yana my Trinity. And you're quite of fast one inside Candy Sika. Many of it in commercial covenant, yet 2 million before some meaning at the crop potting. I can't shed in here. Why not doing so on the company now? Right, so let me go ahead and give you my daily dose of being. Confidence gives you power to face any challenge. So be confident and enjoy challenge in life. I hope so. What's in common, I say. Right, so Akukudro and now for GDA. Sa Uji Wedi. Now we are Akukudro. I had dear Bakwa who here on the Pebby Abrabo and any Pebby assets name. Now, shall we, baby? Now you don't have confidence in yourself. One casanon shall and Jill who desire. The pound so bad then, Aji, who's